I'm here today with my friends at Stecker Machine Company. Now, we're going to be talking partnership, we're going to be talking collaboration, we're going to be looking at partnerships like JTEKT and State Machine Tool to see what it's like to put your customers' needs first and then go to your supply chain to really see what's possible. Let's check it out.
Joel Kaeppler, I'm the Vice President of Finance and Operations here. I've been here for over 25 years. So I started when Jerry was the owner, who was the father of Brian and some of the other people that work here.
My name is Scott Waak. I'm Vice President of Procurement and Customer Support. I've been at SMC almost 9 years now.
Hi, my name is Brandon and I'm a CNC machine operator at Stecker Machine Company.
My name is Rob Schmitt. I'm one of our production schedulers at Stecker Machine. My current duties involve scheduling all the jobs and all the work centers and all the people assigned to run the jobs.
I'm Jerry Kaye, State Machine Tool, Corporate Sales Manager. We have been working with SMC for 40 plus years.
I enjoy working at SMC because of all the opportunities that we have. We're a good size and we get to be involved in a bunch of different things. If the employees work hard, they can get good opportunities, and there's always room for advancement as we continue to grow. It's been fun to see the owners reinvest in the company, and that makes it easier in my position to be able to keep expanding the company and make it successful.
And that's one thing I love about SMC is that we all work together. There is never any finger pointing. There is never anybody that is felt that they're on an island of their own. We work together as a team. Everybody gathers and rallies together to get the job done, and we really put that in front of everything. So
I would consider SMC a top shop in that they give everyone equal opportunities. If you're willing to put in the time and effort and learn this trade, they will give you that.
I think Stecker really promotes promoting from within. So if you show the ambition, want to learn, they're going to spend the time to stick in you. Whatever you invest in the company, they're going to invest back in you. So it's really helped me get ahead by just showing what I want to do and asking for opportunities and showing my worths, and they've paid it back.
The best thing about working with SMC is the ability to interact with their personnel and to bring our expertise into their field of expertise on machining. So a lot of times we'll bring the latest and greatest in the machine tools to them and together determine the correct machine tool fit for what project lies ahead or what project is presented to us.
I like the opportunities that it gives us to be involved in purchasing machinery and setting up automation cells and working with our partners and trusting them to come up with a solution for things that will accomplish what we need to get to meet the customers' demands, make good parts, make them efficiently, and also simplify the employee's role in that, especially for material handling, where the parts are big or the volumes are high, where it would wear them down. We can save some manual operations by doing the automation.
So I believe SMC is a top shop because of the way we approach our customers. We put them first. We take pride in our quality, our engineering skills, building robust processes.
I think Stecker Machine kind of brings the same mindset to all aspects of the business. Almost every department came up through machining at Stecker. So even our engineers started at machine operators, so they kind of know what we're looking at for programming. Our tooling specialists have ran the machines, moved up to the tooling specialists, so they know what each tool, I guess, is looking for capabilities. So even management, almost everyone has worked on the floor at some point and worked their way up to these positions. So kind of gives everyone the same mindset from the start, from starting on the machines where you produce the parts that run the business, to being able to do other various aspects of running a business.
So the greatest thing about working with Stecker Machine Tool and the partnership between SMC, State Machine, and JTEKT is we're bringing together all three areas of the manufacturing. SMC has the manufacturing expertise on the cutting portion. JTEKT offers a premier quality CNC machine tool, and our job is to basically marry it all together with the machine, the tooling, the fixturing, and a complete engineered solution as well as automation, and create a one-source stop for SMC to best take care of their needs on the project.
Working with Toyota, working with states, you know, that synergy of that team working together really built a robust process, along with you know, us building fixtures that we were able to make quality parts.
The great thing about Toyotas is they all run the same operating system on them. So when I can move to any Toyota on the shop floor, it's the same FANUC system across the board.
What I feel sets SMC apart was our dedication to our partnerships that we have, and then also our investment in technology and trying to stay on the top of things, making things as efficient as possible, and also make them as easy for the employees as possible to carry out their jobs every day.
Our customer needs are number one. We have to adapt with them. You know, the volumes are ever changing, the demands are ever changing. So we really strive on meeting their requirements and meeting their needs and doing whatever we got to do to make things right.
Well, thanks for coming to Stecker Machine Company with me. We got to learn about partnership, about collaboration, what it really looks like to work with your supply chain. If you want to know more about my friends at Stecker Machine Company, you can check out their website at steckermachine.com. And don't forget to check out all the videos that we worked on together over at MTDCNC.com, over on our YouTube or on our LinkedIn, and we'll see you next time.